Mm, I have a bad headache, and my throat hurts. What should I take? I don't feel well today. My head hurts. My throat is dry. I think I need medicine. Okay, I will go to the pharmacy.
Feel sick, headache, throat, dry. Useful sentences. I don't feel well. My head hurts. My throat is dry.
It's busy today.
Next, please.
Hello,
Hello, how can I help you?
I don't feel well. I have a headache, and my throat hurts.
I see. How long do you feel like this?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Is the headache strong?
Yes, a little strong.
Okay,
Headache, throat, fever, strong, yesterday. Useful sentences. I have a headache. My throat hurts. Since yesterday.
you can take this medicine. It is good for headache and throat pain.
Okay, is it strong?
No, it is mild.
Good.
Medicine, pills, strong, mild.
How do I take it?
Take 1 pill 2 times a day after meals.
Okay, 1 pill 2 times a day after meals.
Yes, that's right.
Morning and evening?
Yes, morning and evening.
Pill, times, day, morning, evening. Useful sentences. Take 1 pill 2 times a day after meals.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel sleepy.
Okay, can I drive?
Better not.
I understand. Can I take it with coffee?
Yes, but water is better.
Okay, I will use water.
Sleepy, drive, coffee, water.
How much is it?
It is $10.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes.
Thank you.
Get well soon.
Thank you very much. I hope I feel better soon.
You learned headache, throat, medicine, pill after meals, side effects. Key sentences. I don't feel well. I have a headache. My throat hurts. How do I take it? Take 1 pill 2 times a day. Are there any side effects? Say it with me. I don't feel well. I have a headache. Can I take this medicine? How do I take it? When you are sick, you can use these sentences to get help. Simple English for real life. Keep practicing every day. You are getting better. See you next time.